Right, let's be honest. When was the last time you ever heard about a soda expert? Probably never, but now you did because I made you. Okay, I made you think about this now. Imagine a person wearing a lab coat, swirling a glass of cola like a wine. This is what the energy this domain name is giving me. So I wanted to share this. So let's break down soda.expert. This can be a perfect hidden gem or maybe just the worst idea. Okay, so we're going to talk about its branding potential, about it, whether it is worth investing or not, and everything and a lot of things that you would want to know. So let's just talk about the keyword here. It is memorable, soda, and even dot expert. These two are straight to the point. If you hear soda expert, you know what exactly it's all about. Someone who knows everything about the sodas. If I call sodies, don't kill me, cause I don't know why, but I heard in a video that someone said I love sodies. So I don't know why. It's really sticking to my tongue. But alright, who should use this domain name? This is the main question. A blog or a YouTube channel, okay, that is specializing in ranking and reviewing crazy soda flavors, or maybe a restaurant consultant who is specializing in drink pairings, or maybe a custom soda brand that wants to position itself as an authority in this industry. And honestly, it sounds very fun. Okay, imagine a TikTok account where someone dives deep into the rare sodas all around the world. Soda.expert. This will actually enhance that brand. So this has a potential. All right. Now let's get into what are the business. Now let's get into from a business and a branding perspective. The .expert domain extension is cool. It works, but this is very a niche play, I would say. It works if you're positioning yourself as a specialist, all right, but it might not be ideal for a business trying to go mainstream. Now, strong point over here is the domain is keyword rich. The soda is an evergreen term with thousands and millions of searches, okay, and the .expert over here is very authoritative. So this would give this domain name a very authoritative edge. This could be great for SEO if used correctly, but if you're looking for something with a broader potential, this domain name might not be the best pick for you. Something like a sodaguru.com or maybe fizzmaster.com could be stronger. Why? Because it is .com and it is more trusted and it is more versatile. You could apply, you could do a lot of things with a .com domain name because the .expert is very niche specific, as I said. Now, the .com will also be easy to remember and people genuinely type .coms more than .expert. But if your goal is to own a niche authority brand, this domain name soda.expert is absolutely gonna work for you. But it depends on your vision. So what do you think about this domain name? Is soda.expert a refreshing pick or a worst pick? You gotta drop your thoughts in the comment section. And if you're sitting on a domain and wondering if it's actually valuable or you're trying to find a perfect name for your business, I'm there to help you guys. I offer domain consultations and you can check it on my website, that is namesprune.com.